Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Today let us start a new lesson from your first flight textbook. The name of the lesson is From the Diary of Anne Frank. And let's have brief introduction about Anne Frank and her diary in the beginning. Before you read, see here. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank. She was born on 12 June 1929 and died in the year 1945. Was German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Yes, Anneliese Marie Anne Frank. She was born on 12th June 1929 and in the year 1945 she died. She was German-born Jewish girl. She belonged to Jewish community, Jew community, who wrote while hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam. And she wrote her diary while she was hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam. Where she was hiding? She was hiding in Amsterdam. Amsterdam, it belongs to Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands city it is. When German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. World War II time, when Germans occupied Netherlands, during that time she wrote this diary. It was the time of World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. Yes, earlier they were living in Germany only, but when Nazis came to power, they ran away to Netherlands, to Amsterdam. Okay. But unfortunately, they were caught in Amsterdam also. Okay, they were trapped means caught. Okay, they caught in Netherlands when Nazi occupation extended into Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. Later, Germany occupied Netherlands. During that time, they caught this family. Okay, Anne Frank and her family members. And you know that when Hitler came to power, he said that Jewish community must be persecuted. According to him, they are not good for his country. He said that only Aryans have rights to live in Germany. Jews are not Aryans, so they must be killed. Like that, he said. Because of that, millions of Jews were killed. So in order to save their lives, Jews ran away to different countries. Here we can see Anne Frank family also. It ran away from Germany to Netherlands. But unfortunately, later Germans occupied Netherlands also and they caught this family in Netherlands. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Franz's office building. See here, as the persecutions means, see here, hostility and ill treatment, especially because of race, political belief. Okay. See, persecution means hostility and ill treatment, especially because of race, political or religious belief. Because of religious belief or race belief, ill treating another community, another race, okay, or hostility, showing hostility means hating another community and ill treating another community, that is called persecution. That hatredness, not only just hatredness, it causes for immense death also. It makes persons, those one community people to kill another community people. So here Jewish community, it was persecuted in Germany. The family went into hiding in July 1942. So that family went to hide in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. Her father Otto Frank was working in Netherlands, Amsterdam. So this family, it went to stay in his office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank. Yes, nearly 2 years they hid inside that building, but later they were betrayed. Betrayed means cheated or deceived by some people. Means some people gave information about their hiding in that building. So they were caught and transported to the concentration camp. That's why they were transported to the concentration camp. Concentration camp means camp of political prisoners or minorities. Here, to persecute a community, there will be one particular small place will be there. Deliberately, they keep all those prisoners in a small place where there will not be any facilities. There will not be any proper food provided. They will not provide any food, and sometimes they force them to do some hard labors, and even these people, the prisoners, they will be waiting for the execution. Means they will be killed in future. Before killing them, they will the enemies will keep them in one particular place. That place, it is called concentration camp. So her family was moved to transported to concentration camp. In that camp only, unfortunately, this girl Anne Frank died of typhus. Typhus means high fever. And later her sister also died. Her sister Margot Frank, she also died there only. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find her diary had been saved. When the war ended in the year 1945, her father came back to Amsterdam. He was the only survivor in that family. He came back and he found her diary and saved that. Conceived that it was unique record. He thought that her diary was a unique record, wonderful record He took action to have it published in English under the name Diary of a Young Girl. Actually, Anne Frank wrote it in Dutch language, but later her father, he took action to have it published in English, means it is translated to English under the name Diary of Anne Frank. The name of Diary of Anne Frank, that her writing was published. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday. That diary was given to her on her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. Yes, she wrote many events which occurred in her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry, 1st August 1944. She wrote about those events in that diary. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. Yeah, eventually translated to different languages. Earlier it was written in Dutch language, later it was translated to different languages, and it was one of the world's most widely read books. Many people read that. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on diary. Many films and theatrical productions, play, dramas came on this, and there is an opera based on the diary. Opera means a theatrical work containing drama, music, song, sometimes even dance also. Described as the work of mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupations, and this diary, it gives a intimate, close outlook about the daily life under Nazi occupation. During the Nazi rule time, what kind of life people were leading, about that it gives information. There is a matured writing we can see in her diary. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of Holocaust victims. She was most renowned, most famous, and became one of the most renowned and discussed of Holocaust victims. Holocaust means destruction or slaughter on a mass scale. Okay. Means she was victim means sufferer, the person who harmed or wounded, injured. Victim of Holocaust. Holocaust means mass murder. Okay, here Jewish community, it was murdered by Nazis. It was killed by Nazis. Okay, and about their lives, about their sufferings, we can see in her diary, the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, this is brief introduction about Anne Frank as well as about her diary. Then what did she write in her diary? We are going to see in our next sessions. Okay, thank you for watching.